but a father of two in this crazy old world. Angie, our youngest, she's only 8. Her mother and I, we were staying up late. She asked us to come and sit down on her bed. She took a deep breath, then here's what she said. I have a secret I promise to keep, but I need to tell you before I can sleep. Michael and Daniel, some children at school, they say there's no Santa and that I am a fool. They had been hiding where they could see who put their gifts under their Christmas tree. The fireplace burning with a flickering light and lit up the room they were watching that night. One eye at the chimney, one eye at the door. A familiar shape came walking the floor. His coat was red and his beard was in white. Looked just like his daddy in the flickering light. Sweet Angie, these stories they tell, they've been around forever. I know them so well. When I was a kid, the same age as you, they said there's no Santa, and I was a fool. So Grandpa, he told me, here's what I will do. I'll write a letter to Santa from you and ask him to write back and tell you the truth. Then show all the children that you are no fool. The postman delivered the mail. Angie, she opened it shaky and pale. The letter said, Angie, I hope you are well. And Merry, Merry Christmas from Santa himself.
You want?
The buzz on in my favorite song is playing in a Broadway bar. Then you walk in and you're all alone, the hottest in the room by far. And you look up and our eyes lock, and my heart falls straight out of my chest, baby. Your lips and your sweet smile, let me kiss it till I die. For the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I dressed up just right. So we make love and we make plans, and God knows that I'm all about it. We're up high, never coming down.